Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to create an account in Qwenlm.Ai so you can start using these incredible AI tools. Whether you are here for work, study or just to explore, setting up your account is quick and easy. Let's dive in. First of all, open your preferred browser on your computer. Here I'm using Edge. You can use any browser that you like. Then in the address bar, type Qwenlm.Ai. It's over here. Tap on enter. This will take you to their homepage, and this is how their homepage look like. Now you can see sign up option over here in top right corner of the page. Tap on it. This will take you to the sign up page. Now you will see a registration form. Here you will need to enter some basic information like your full name, email address and a secure password. When you are doing this, make sure to use a valid email address because you will need to verify your account later. Let's fill it up. Enter a secure password. Once you have filled in all the required information, double check everything over here, then read the terms of service and privacy policy, which is right over here. Then after reading that, tap on this checkbox. That will open the create account option. Tap on create account, and before doing this, here another information too. Instead of filling all this information, you can also continue with Google or GitHub, and it is the easiest and simplest way to do. I personally prefer this one, but I want to explain this section too. So choose the option that you like, and after that, tap on create account. It may take a few time. Here it asks for the verification. Slide this up. After submitting the form, check your email address for verification message from Qwenlm.Ai, and over here you can see a verification mail. If you don't see this right away, take a look to your spam or promotion folder. Now after opening the mail, you can see activate your account over here. Tap on it. This step is super important to activate your account. And that's it. You have successfully created your Qwenlm.Ai account and are ready to explore its powerful AI tools. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.